Hi, I'm Brian Jackson. I'm the editor of ITBusiness.ca. I'm here with Mike Stern, the founder of MakeWorks. It's a new co-working space here in Toronto. Thanks for joining us, Mike.
Thanks for coming.
And thanks for giving me this tour that we're about to embark on. Just tell me, what is MakeWorks? What is this space going to be used for?
So MakeWorks is a co-working studio, but with a focus on being a hardware innovation hub for Toronto. We're seeing a new trend in how people build physical goods and how they commercialize them. And things like Nest thermostats and Google Glasses, Pebble smartwatches are kind of leading the charge there. We're trying to be the leading hardware innovation hub for Toronto and help our members with the tools, mentorship, and community to thrive.
Mike, there's a lot going on here in this space, and it seems like you're offering a lot of support for the entrepreneurs that come here. Tell me about the sort of expertise they'll be able to gain by working here.
Yeah, so we are launching a MakeWorks Mentors and MakeWorks Partners advisory group very shortly. That consists of some well-known names in venture capital, hardware businesses, software businesses, and these folks are here to help the startups in the space.
Mike, we're here in the co-working space. Tell me, what is it that people have to work with here?
Well, when you're a startup and you're looking to find space, it's typically a challenge to find or sign a 5-year lease and get furniture and Wi-Fi, et cetera. So what we're trying to do is make it really easy for startups to come in, pay month-to-month leases, get a desk, get free Wi-Fi, access to conference rooms, the kitchen, the community here, and start. If you're a startup looking to build a hardware company or a software meets hardware company, then you need a different kind of space, different tools, different community. And so what we're trying to do here is build that space so that you can prototype the equipment that you're using, get your product fulfilled, and go through that whole cycle in a new kind of co-working space that is MakeWorks.
So Mike, over here I see a different name on the wall. It says MakeLab, and then we have a couple of 3D printers on the table. What's this space used for?
So MakeLab is a prototyping agency, and they're a strategic partner and tenant in the space. So they have a ton of 3D printers and enable startups here to use those printers, prototype the products that they're working on.
Mike, we're back here in this workshop area. Just tell me, what will be going on here?
So the shop provides woodworking, metals, and ceramics, classes and training, as well as membership. And so the idea is that if you are trying to build, like, let's say, a smart hockey stick, you could come to the shop and prototype the wood shaft of the stick, and then go to the prototyping lab and start prototyping the electronics gear that goes inside of the stick. And then you can actually base your company out of MakeWorks, have a mailing address here, leverage the MakeWorks mentor group, and hope to commercialize your product in the market.
Mike, have you visited some specific places that gave you a good idea of what would work here?
Yeah, there's a couple reference points that I've been looking at in the States and Europe. There's Bolt in Boston, as well as the legendary Tech Shop. It's all over the US. But nothing really existed in Toronto.
Mike, this is really a nice big open space. It's really bright. What are you going to be doing here?
So this is our event venue and workshop space, where we'll be doing all sorts of different events, parties, and workshops.
Well, it sounds like you're going to be offering a lot to certain types of entrepreneurs that are interested in building hardware prototypes. If I wanted to become involved with MakeWorks, tell me, what process do I have to go through to get registered? Yeah,
so you can come to our website at MakeWorks.com and submit an entry for your startup. We charge $300 per seat, and accept teams of various sizes, and we'll be open for business soon, so definitely check us out.
Thanks so much for the tour today, Mike.
Thank you.
I'm Brian Jackson with ITBusiness.ca, and we were just touring MakeWorks with Mike Stern.